The 2007 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, tow hitch, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.